Hello guys, I'm Dilwala Shakil from TechHunterDeals.com, a place where you can find cool gadgets, tech news, WordPress web design, and online earning related videos, tutorials, blogs, and more tips and tricks. In today's video, we'll see how to create a YouTube subscribe button and put it on your WordPress website.
The best thing to add a YouTube button on your website is that your visitor can subscribe to your YouTube channel without leaving your website. By the same process, you can add this button to your blogger website. In my previous video, we have seen how to create a YouTube subscribe link and put it on your website. So if you missed the video, I'll put the link in the video description and in the I button.
So without much talking, let's get started and let's see how we can do that. To complete this process, we have to go to a website where we can configure the button. The link of the website is developers.google.com/YouTube/YouTube subscribe button.
I'll put the website link in the video description so you don't need to worry about that. The tool below lets you configure an embedded subscription button.
First, you will see channel name or ID. You have to put your channel name or channel ID in this box. I'm going to show two methods from where you can get the channel ID. First, go to your YouTube channel homepage and click on URL bar. After that, copy that last part of your URL. This is your channel ID. After that, come to this website and put the channel ID under the channel name or ID box. The second option is just simply click on ID and you will be redirected to YouTube advanced settings option page. Here you will see two different codes. First one is user ID and second one is channel ID. You need to copy the channel ID. After copying the code, come to this website and paste it on under the channel name or ID option, and then you will see layout option. From this option you can set default layout or full layout. You can see the button preview here. So in my case I'm going to select full layout, and after that you will get the theme option. You can select the button theme. You will get two options under the theme. One is default and other one is dark. When you select dark, the button background will be dark, and when you select default, the background will be white. So in my case, I'm going to select it default. And one more option is you can show or hide your subscriber count. So you can see in my case I'm gonna show my subscriber count. I have already hidden my subscriber count from another setting option, so you won't be able to see my subscriber count. So after all these settings, you'll get some codes. You need to copy this code from here and paste it on your website. So copy this code. Now I have logged into my WordPress dashboard and going to paste this code in my single blog post right sidebar. So I have already created single blog post template and going to edit it. I am using Elementor Pro for my website. You can paste this code on your default sidebars widget. So as you can see, I have already put a YouTube subscribe button on my website, and I'm going to put another one in my right sidebar here. I'm going to select HTML block or widget to paste code. I have inserted my code in this block and going to update this page. So let's see how the button actually looks like. Now you can see we have successfully inserted our YouTube subscribe button to our WordPress website. In this process you can insert this button to your blogger website also. The margin top is little short, so I'm going to put some margin top in this block. Now everything is perfect. So guys, if you got this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe the channel for latest videos. If you have any questions or face any problem, let me know in the comment box. I will definitely try to help you.